We continue exercise 1.1. In the previous video, we discussed question number 2. Now we see question number 3. And in third question, write the following sets in the roster form. Question number 3. Write the following sets. In the roster form. We have to write in the roster form. So the first is A equals to x such that x is an integer. A equals to x such that x is an integer. This is written in set builder form. X such that x is an integer and -3 is less than equals to x is less than 7. So this is given in the roster in the set builder form. This is in the set builder form, and we have to express it in roster form. So in roster form we have to write an integer which is less than -3. The value of x should be lies from -3 to 7. -3 से 7 तक. So -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Less than 7, यानी 7 से छोटा, till up to 6, and all these are integers. So the value of x lies from -3 to 6. The next is b equals to x such that x is a natural number. b equals to x such that x is a natural number. X is a natural number less than 6. Less than 6. And we have to write in roster form. So the roster form was listing the elements separated by commas within the bracket. So अपन लिस्ट करेंगे एलिमेंट्स. तो एलिमेंट्स लिस्ट करेंगे कि कौन सा नेचुरल नंबर जो कि 6 से छोटा है. तो नेचुरल नंबर स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is in the roster form, and the question was given in the set builder form. The third is x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. X such that x is a 2-digit natural number. X such that x is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 83. Such that sum of its digit the sum of its digit is 8. The sum of its digit is 8. Sum of its digit is 8. X such that x is a natural number, sum of its digit is 6. Hello. 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 डॉक्यूमेंट सारे सर्टिफिकेट जो शुरू से है 6, 5 से लेकर के फोटो लाने हैं, आधार कार्ड लाने हैं, मम्मी पापा के और ये और फोटो है. हाँ यहाँ तक का है ना. So x such that x is a 2-digit natural number. 2-digit natural number such that sum of its digit is 8. So two digit natural number जैसे 1 7 17 we can write in this way. Two digit natural number 17 and its sum is 8. Then 26. The sum of 2 and 6. The sum of the digit is 8. Then 35. Then 44. Then 53. Then 62. Then 71. And then 80. So x is a two-digit natural number. All these are two-digit natural number. And the sum of its digit is 8. Next is x such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number which is divisor of 60. Which is divisor of 60. So प्राइम नंबर जिसमें जो डिवीजर हो 60 का, so it would be prime number started from 2 divisible by 60, 3 is the prime number which is divisible by 60, 5 is the prime number which is divisible by 60. So the result is 2 3 5. 2 3 5. Prime number which is divisor of 60. 2 3 5. Then next part. Fifth, E equals to set of all letters. E equals to x such that the set of all letters in the word. The set of all letters in the word. Set of all letters in the word. Trigonometry. Set of all letters of the word. Trigonometry. So we will write separately all the letters involved in trigonometry. So T, comma, R, comma, I, G, N, O, M, E and 1. We have not to repeat the letter. Once we have to write, not to repeat the letter. So this is in roster form. Next is the set of all letters in the word. Beta. The set of all letters in the word. Beta. Set of all letters in the word beta. So we will write all the letters separately by putting the commas. So B, E, T and R. We are not to repeat the letter. So this is in set builder form. So this is in roster form. And the question which was given in set builder form. Now the next is write the following set in set builder form. Question number 4. Write the following Write the following in set builder form. The first part is 3, 6, 9, 12. A equals to 3, 6, 9, 12. So in this question, the set is given in roster form and we have to write it in set builder form. So x such that x is a natural number, multiple of 3. X such that x is a natural number, multiple of 3. X such that x is a natural number, multiple of 3, and x is less than 50. 12, this is the last multiple. This is the last multiple of 3. Less than 50. So x such that x is a natural number. All these are natural numbers and they are multiple of 3 and these values are less than 50. The second is 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. B equals to 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So x such that x equals to 2 raised to the power n. X equals to x such that 2 raised to the power n, and n belongs to natural number, and the value of n is less than 6. When we put the value of n equals to 1, we get 2. When we put 2, we get 4, 3, 8. When we put 4, 16. When we put 5, 32. So the value of n is less than 6 and n belongs to natural number. All these are natural numbers. Then 5, 25, 125, 525, 125, 625. So here C equals to x such that x equals to 5 raised to the power n. N belongs to natural number and n is less than equals to 4. The last value of n would take n. When we take n equals to 4, we get 625. So the value of n should be less than equals to 4, not more greater than 4. Next is 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. 2, 4, 6, dash dash. 2, 4, 6, dash dash. So D equals to x such that x is a even natural number. X such that x is a even natural numbers. All these are even natural numbers. Then fifth part. One, 4, 9, 16, 25, dash dash. 1, 4, 9, 16, dash dash 100 till up to 100. So this is x such that E equals to x such that x equals to n square, where n belongs to f. N belongs to natural number and the value of n is less than n. When we put n equals to 1, we get 1. When we put 2, we get 4. When we put 3, we get 9. When we put 10, we get last term 100. Means the value of n is less than 100 and n belongs to natural number. All these are natural numbers which we are taking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these are natural numbers. Now, fifth question. List all the elements of the following sets. List all the elements of the following set. We have to write the elements of the given sets. First is A equals to x such that x is an odd natural number. X such that x is an odd natural numbers. So we have to write the elements of the given set. So odd natural numbers is given by the elements having odd natural numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 and dash. So we have to list the elements, all the elements which are odd natural numbers, which will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Next is B equals to x such that B equals to x such that x is an integer. X such that x is an integer and minus 1 by 2 is less than x, is less than 9 by 2. The value of x lies from minus 1 by 2 to 9 by 2. And we have to write the integers. So minus 1 by 2 means minus 0.5 and 0.5 is not an integer. So just greater value from minus 0.5, just greater value from minus 0.5. माइनस 0.5 से जस्ट ग्रेटर वैल्यू जो इंटीजर हो, ऐसी कौन सी वैल्यू है? 0. माइनस 0 पॉइंट के जस्ट बाद ऐसी वैल्यू जो इंटीजर हो, दैट इज 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 9/2. x की वैल्यू 9/2 से छोटी होनी चाहिए. 9/2 मीन्स 4.5 and 4.5 is not an integer. तो 4.5 से just less value which is integer. 4 is an integer. So the result is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. X such that x is an integer. Third part. X such that x is an integer. X such that x is an integer and x square is less than equals to 4. The value of x square should be less than and equals to 4. So this is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. Minus 2 the whole square plus 4 and 4 is equals to 4. Minus 1 the whole square plus 1 and 1 is less than 4. 0 the whole square 0 and 0 is less than 4. 1 the whole square 1 which is less than 4. 2 the whole square 4 which is equals to 4. And the next is x such that x is later in the word lower. X such that X is a letter of the word loyal. X such that X is a letter of the word loyal. So we write all the letters separate individually. We will write L, comma, O, comma, Y, comma, A, and not to repeat. L यहाँ पे 2 times है, so we have to write only 1 time. Letters should not be repeated. So L, O, Y, A. Now the fifth part is X such that X is a month of year. X such that X is a month of year. X such that X is a month of the year. X such that X is the month of the year, not having 31 days. Not having 31 days. ऐसा मंथ बताना है जिसमें 31 डेज नहीं होते. Not having 31 days. So February, Feb, April, the month having not 31 days. February, April, June, September, November. So these are the months having not 31 days. These are the months having not 31 days. So we have to listing the elements of the month having not 31 days. Next is X such that X is a consonant in the English alphabet. X such that X such that X is a consonant. X such that X is a consonant. X such that X is a consonant in English alphabet. We have to list the consonant in English alphabet which precedes K. Which precedes K. Which precedes K. यानी अल्फाबेट में K के पहले जितने भी कॉन्सोनेंट्स हैं उनको लिस्टिंग करनी है. K के पहले कॉन्सोनेंट. सो B, C, D, F, G, H, J और K के जस्ट बिफोर. So these are the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H and J. K के जस्ट पहले consonants, not vowels. Now question number 6. Match each of the sets on the left in the roster form with the same set on the right described in the set builder form. So we have to match. So the first is match. On the left side it is given in roster form, and on the right side it is given in set builder form. So 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. You have to select from right of the column which is the set builder form of 1, 2, 3, 6. So x such that x is a natural number. X such that x is a natural number less than 10. Less than 10. What का matching? X such that x is a natural number less than 10. We can also write here C. First का matching C. Then second 2, 3. This is given in roster form 2, 3, and its matching is A. X such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number. X such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. First का C. X such that x is a natural number and divisor of 6. Yes, we can write also natural number divisor of 6. Natural number divisor of 6. And x such that x is a prime number and divisor of 6. Prime number divisor of 6. This is the set builder form of rostered form 2, 3. Then MATHEICS. Third. MATHEICS. E, I, C and S. And its match is D. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. D. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. X such that x is a letter of the word mathematics. So this is the rostered form, this is the set builder form and this is the rostered form. Then 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And its match is B. X such that x is an odd natural number. X such that x is an odd natural number less than 10. Odd natural number and less than 10. X such that x is a odd natural number and which is less than 10. So in 6th question we have to match. On the left column we have given in roster form and in the right column we have given in the set builder form. So in the next video we will do exercise 1.2.